Earn as much as $16,000 a month with this online side hustle. If you visit the websites Pulling Curls and Pregnancy Nurse, you might not think much of them. These are likely websites that only interest mothers or soon-to-be mothers. However, when these two websites are combined, they generate a monthly income of $16,000. If you're similar to me, you might wonder how they manage to earn that amount of money. In this video, I'll explain precisely how they earn such a huge income and how you can do the same right now. The side hustle is known as a content-based business, and what makes them a much preferred type of business is that they can be done for free. Let me show you how you can do this. The business makes use of content, which can take the form of a blog, a YouTube channel, TikTok videos, or a podcast. Essentially, any format that can attract an audience. In a content-based business, you need to build an audience because without one, the business cannot thrive. When the audience grows large enough, you can start monetizing your content, and this can be done in 4 ways. The first one is through advertisements that you often find on blogs or news sites. There are also ads on YouTube, which is how YouTubers earn money. These ads generate revenues for these content-based businesses. The second way is through sponsorship. Have you ever been listening to your preferred podcast and abruptly heard the host mention that the current episode is sponsored by a company selling various products? The podcast is essentially offering their audience to advertisers in exchange for a fee. This type of arrangement is known as a sponsorship. The third method of monetizing a content-based business involves promoting other companies' products or services within its content. If the audience ends up purchasing these products or services through the content creator's referral, the business will receive a percentage of the sales. To provide an example, suppose you click on the link in my description for Webull and create an account while funding it with any amount of money. In that case, you'll receive 12 free stocks, potentially worth up to $30,600. This means you get free money, while I, on the other hand, receive a free stock or 2. This approach is referred to as affiliate marketing. The fourth approach to monetizing a content-based business involves developing and marketing their products or services to their audience. For instance, Graham Stefan established a coffee brand called Bankroll Coffee, while Emma Chamberlain created Chamberlain Coffee. So basically, a content-based business depends on producing excellent content that draws and retains an audience. You just need to figure out and discover methods of making money from this audience. It's either through advertising, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, product sales, or a combination of these 4 methods. Let's examine how the websites mentioned at the start of the video generate $16,000 every month. Both sites include a blog section that generates a significant amount of traffic, with Pulling Curls receiving approximately 90,000 visitors each month, as reported by SimilarWeb. SimilarWeb also estimates the business's revenue to be between $2 million and $5 million. Also, some affiliate marketing is incorporated into the sites. On one of the mentioned websites, there's a blog post titled All Inclusive that talks about Disneyland vacation packages. Although it could be a sponsored post, it might also be a regular post that includes affiliate marketing. The post offers a lot of useful information, and if you follow its recommendations and use Getaway Today to book your trip, the business may receive a commission of about 20 to 30% on any sales. We all know that a trip to Disneyland can be expensive, but this is not the primary source of revenue for the business. The way in which the business generates income is through their courses, such as their online prenatal class for couples, which ranges in price from $79 to $197, a family routines course with multi-pricing options, and a course on home organization with various price points. As of mid-2022, the owner of Pulling Curls, Hillary Erickson, stated that the majority of the business's income is derived from course sales, accounting for 58% of the revenue, with 28% coming from ads and sponsored posts and 14% from affiliate marketing. If you're curious about how Hillary drives traffic to her site, keep reading. Hillary's marketing approach involves producing valuable content that demonstrates her expertise. She utilizes opt-ins, which are essentially a sign-up box where people can provide their email addresses and subscribe to receive her emails, enabling her to market her courses directly to them. She also uses various platforms such as her blog, podcast, and TikTok to attract more customers and grow her email list. Her TikTok account has approximately 55,000 followers. Her recommendation for those planning to use TikTok for marketing purposes is to remain consistent and engage with her audience. She herself produces around 3 high-quality TikTok videos per week, but also creates impromptu videos where she answers any questions her viewers may have. It's also one way of establishing a connection with her audience. it makes them feel that Hillary values them. All of her content is relevant to her niche. Now, how do you start a content-based business? The first step is to select a niche. This may seem daunting, but it's really important and a big deal to pick up a subject that you could discuss for 30 to 60 minutes immediately. People often make the mistake of selecting a topic that they're not truly interested in or don't know anything about just to earn money, which can eventually lead to problems down the line. When you research the most lucrative YouTube niches, insurance is one of the top topics. You might be tempted to create an insurance-themed YouTube channel because it pays $15 for every 1,000 views, and if you manage to get 1 million views, you could make $15,000 just from advertising revenue alone. Furthermore, you could also earn income through sponsorships and affiliate marketing. However, the issue is that you're probably not passionate about insurance, and your first 10 to 20 videos may not garner any views. As a result, you'll need to put in a significant amount of effort and work for an extended period without earning any money initially. If you're not interested in this particular topic, you're more likely to abandon it. However, if you have a genuine interest in insurance, producing those initial 10 or 20 videos will be enjoyable for you. You'll learn from your experience along the way and capitalize on what works well, which could potentially result in 6-figure earnings within the first year. After selecting your niche, you must choose the appropriate platform for content creation. But first, evaluate your abilities honestly. If you think you possess excellent writing skills, starting a blog may be a good idea. If you're a skilled conversationalist, podcasting may be a right choice. If you perform well on camera, consider YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Similarly, if you excel in editing, YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram would also work well. Assess your abilities and select the platform that complements them. At some point, you may expand to various platforms, but initially, you could choose one and concentrate on it. After that, you'll need to attract an audience, which can be accomplished by producing only high-quality content. In order to do this, you must unleash your creativity. You need to come up with your own unique content. However, there'll always be times when you get nothing. Your mind is blank, and you're not able to think of any creative or high-quality content. All you have to do is take inspiration from other content creators. Never ever copy their content in its entirety because this is just wrong. Use their content as a reference or inspiration and come up with your own twists. The whole idea here is to incorporate aspects that you like from other people's content, but to add your own personal touch to it. For instance, if you wish to create a YouTube channel on cryptocurrency, you could search for the top channels in this genre on YouTube. You could watch their videos and identify those that are popular and stand out from the rest. This could indicate that people are either searching for such content or enjoy watching it. Some videos could serve as a source of inspiration for your own content without resulting in plagiarism. To make it your own, you can add your individuality to it. For instance, if a particular channel's videos about how to mine Bitcoin seem to get more views than their average video, you can create a similar video with your own unique spin. Again, the goal is not to copy, but to use other creators' work as a source of inspiration to create your own original content. The approach can be applied to any platform of your choice. For instance, if you opt to start a blog or podcast, you can check out successful blogs or podcasts in your specific area of interest to find out what topics are popular with the audience. Once you've established an audience, you can begin generating income in various ways. One possible way is to use Google AdSense to monetize your blog or YouTube channel within a few months. However, this may not be the main source of your revenue, and other options such as affiliate marketing, sponsorships, or creating your own product or service like Pulling Curl's course should be considered if you want to earn significant profits from a content-driven business. Having your own content-based business is not an easy process. It takes a lot of time and effort. A business requires a significant amount of time for most individuals. While there may be methods to speed up the process, there are likely more ways to slow it down. However, the key factor is to remain consistent. You cannot quit just because no one's reading your blog. No one's watching your videos after 6 months, or you're not making money on YouTube after a year. You must remain committed, patient, and show up consistently every single day. This is what matters and will help you succeed in your chosen business. Many content creators do not succeed overnight. They have to endure and thrive for years before they see the fruits of their hard work. Just be consistent with your content and always make sure that it's something that you really like to do. Don't do it just because you think it'll be easy money. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video and have a great day. See you soon.